Of the order passed by this Hon'ble court, the petitioner not complied, the trial court has issued a FLW against the accused, Your Honor. And he was served on 21 days in JC and he has paid it 87,000 rupees, Your Honor, of maintenance. So, and so because of, he is not earning the money because of is only a labor, Your Honor. And the respondent itself is working as a staff nurse and more than 40,000 rupees as assets and she has declared, Your Honor. So now, by virtue of this honorable court, he is not complying the order because of his no money, Your Honor. And because of FLW issued by the trial court, he was in JC of 21 days.
You have already said.
Yes, sir.
That you have already said. I understood that.
21 days he was served in JC, Your Honor.
Yes, yes.
Now it may be posted for the final hearing, Your Honor.
What final hearing? Not required. We will hear it right now.
Yes,
Argue. Yes.
Marriage
15,000
was
is granted.
performed 3/6/2013, Your Honor.
You are on what ground before this court? Why the order is?
Order 15,000 passed the order of trial court, Your Honor. And moreover, she is filed in assets page number 57, Your Honor. In F column, monthly income 39,800 rupees as on the date of filing the assets and liabilities.
How much she is earning?
30, she is earning, Your Honor.
How much?
39,800. Likewise, Your Honor, the petitioner itself is assets and declared as is a coolie. Page number 64 of the petition, Your Honor.
What is your income?
Per day 300 rupees.
Now please come to the discussion.
So for PW to examine, Your Honor. So regarding regarding
Please read.
so far the testimony of PW is concerned, they said they have examined Meenakshi wife of Tejkumar on 14/8/20 when she approached examination of pregnancy and accordingly had a prescribed relevant medicine and issued mother card, etc. Is also stated that he subject to her to blood test scanning, etc. And 13/2/2000 she was made and delivery baby as the child was died in the home itself, and on the basis of the medical records he could give the said evidence. Even he has stated that as per the information furnished by the said Meenakshi.
Yes. What is the evidence with regard to his income?
My lords, para number 17 of the same judgment.
Come to that.
It would be equally relevant to refer the testimony of RW1. In the chief examination, he has reiterated the ground of the defense raised by him in his objection statement. In his cross-examination, however, he has admitted that he is doing a automobile engineering work, which would falsely his statement in the objection statement, and that he is doing any other work other than the agriculture. He is also admitted that there is a family-owned agricultural land. This has never been put forth in the asset and liabilities at all. He falsely contended before the trial court stating that he is a coolie. He is an ITI graduate who is working in the automobile engineering work, and he is earning handsome money of 30,000 rupees, and he never files the statement of 3 years of bank statement at all. He never files it, but he contends that he is a coolie. And considering that, my lords, in para number 11 and 11 also, he admitted he is having a relationship with the lady one Meenakshi, and it is substantially proved in by the witness PW2 also by leading the evidence, my lord. Wherein till date, my lords, the child is aged about 12 years, which is studying in 6th standard, my lords. Till date, he has not paid single penny for the education also, my lords. It is paid by the mother only. And mother having the independent and dependent mother also who is aged.
Her income is 40,000. Her mother is dependent on her.
Please, my lord, they are staying in the rental house.
On
Same contended in my asset and liabilities.
Did you not file your bank statements before?
Before this honorable court, I filed the assets and on
Let's see
4/4/24.
where are your bank statements?
Sorry, on 4/4/2025.
See,
Yes,
let
sir.
us see your bank statement.
Yes, Your Honor.
That copy has been not served for me, my lords. I have no copy of the said bank statement. And more importantly, the pending maintenance is 8 lakh rupees, my lords, as of today.
No, what he says is he's not in a position to pay. That's why he is even he suffered imprisonment also.
My lords,
He was in jail for 20 days.
please, my lords, I admit it.
On 4/4/2000, filed documents, Your Honor, along with produced his salary certificate on, so total month 9,200 rupees, and entire last 3 years are produced this bank statement, Your Honor. And also, he has aged mother and father also suffering from the age ailments, Your Honor. Except his salary, there is no other source of income. There is
There is a salary, you're a coolie.
yes, Your Honor. Some company has issued the receipt, Your Honor.
What does it mean? That you have suppressed the material facts before the court. When you say that you have no other income, you are doing agriculture coolie work, where from this company has come
This
into
is
picture?
this under daily wages. He was working under the daily wages work, Your Honor.
You say you're an agriculturist.
No, there is a 1 acre of land in the ancestral property, Your Honor. Except there is 1 acre.
Okay, let us see your pleading.
So,
Let's see your pleadings. Where are your objections?
Regarding the agricultural land, it has not been disclosed anywhere in the objection also, my lord.
No, what did he say? What is income?
It has not disclosed, my lord.
But at least what is the government, when you have stated that he is earning so much, he must have filed his objections. While denying that, you should also say, what is your income?
because there is no
where did you
other except except.
What is that? What is that except? Where did you say? Please show to the court. You should say in your objections that except this, I don't have any other income. Where did you say? Please come to your objections.
Yes, Your
At
Honor. I
page
see,
number
Your Honor.
50,
Yes, Your Honor.
51. Don't say what you are doing in the entire objections.
Earlier they filed a formal objection, you were in the trial court.
Huh?
In the trial court, they filed that objection.
About the trial court objection.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where is it?
But did not make any objection regarding the his assets and liabilities, Your Honor.
To the IA, you didn't file your objections? IA seeking maintenance or this is a
125
125?
petition.
You have filed your objections,
Yes, Your Honor.
but you didn't say anything about your income.
But they denied, Your Honor, because of
What you denied, please show. What you denied. Let's see.
43, Your Honor, in para 6. The other contention of the government made a 5 petition not true and correct, hence the petition put to same, Your Honor.
What is that? How is 46 relevant to this?
40, sorry, 40,
46, how is it relevant?
43, Your Honor.
48 is your objections.
That is annexure fee 42, Your Honor, my objection.
Where are the objections?
This is MC petition what they have filed, my lord, for that
No
one.
objections in this petition or
Yes,
file?
it is
Have
filed, Your
filed, my
Honor,
lord.
Where is
42, Your Honor.
Respondent submits that respondent is doing agriculture work and earning income. So it shows that you made a false statement before the court, and on the other hand, you will show some receipt by some company. There are so many entries in your bank account.
Well, I am not declaring, Your Honor, I am an agriculture holder.
But in the assets and
In
liabilities, they
annexure.
denied.
Annexure C, Your Honor, just is denied, Your Honor.
Read paragraph number 8.
Yes, Your Honor. But 1 acre of land is owned, Your Honor,
Please
by
come.
ancestor.
Agreed with the orders passed and criminal miscellaneous number 20 of 20.
Along with that, documents are produced. 1 acre of 40 say I have produced before this court. Your Honor.
Nobody asked you to say, if every person who is having 1 acre of land is not agriculture coolie. You said, I'm doing agriculture, the respondent doing agriculture work and earning income.
And
On the
automobile,
other hand, you say that I'm working in a company is giving that, I'm working for 300. Which stand we have to take?
Like, as of now, what are the documents I received, Your Honor, I produced before this
So the
court.
orders passed in criminal miscellaneous 20 of 2022 dated 8th August 2024, whereby the court had granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 15,000. The husband is before this court. The wife had filed a petition seeking maintenance of an amount of rupees 30,000 per month to her and the child. The court had, it is a case that The husband is working, doing, having automobile, working in automobile shop and earning sufficiently. According to the wife, her salary is 39,800. The the husband filed his objection stating that he is only doing agriculture work, and as stated by the wife, he is not working. Before the court, in the cross-examination, it is stated that he has accepted in the cross-examination that he is doing automobile engineering work. Before this engineering work, and considering all that, the court had granted 15,000 per month to both the petitioners. The petitioners, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he is working as a daily wage laborer, and he has also produced before the court that he is getting 300 per month, 300 per day. Further, it is submitted that the 300 per day, it is further submitted that he is not having sufficient income, and in the income he has to take care of himself and his parents, and granting an amount of rupees 15,000 is on the higher side. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent submits that the petitioner is taking different stance with regard to his employment. At one stretch, he says he is doing agriculture work. At one stretch, he says that he is doing automobile engineering works. And at another stretch, he says that he is working as a daily laborer. It is submitted that before the court, he has not filed his statement of assets and liabilities. In response to that, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has filed the same before this court. This court has perused this court. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that there are no grounds and the writ petition needs to be dismissed. Next para, having heard so and so. The whole purpose of filing the objections, statement of assets and liabilities is to put forth before the court what are the assets and liabilities and what are the objections of the petitioner, objection of the parties. Unfortunately, in this case, the husband had taken different stance at different levels, and before the court, he has not even filed his statement of his bank statement for the 3 years, as per the judgment of the Abbot's Court in Rashish versus Neha. The perusal of the order and also the submissions that are made before this court clearly demonstrates that the petitioner is suppressing the material facts before the court, and he has not come to the court with clean hands. The court had granted maintenance to the petitioners at 102 petitioners 15,000. Admittedly, the wife is earning 13,800. In those circumstances, the court was not right in granting 15,000, granting maintenance to the wife also. And considering all these aspects, this court is modifying the order. The order dated so and so is modified, and the amount of only the daughter is entitled for maintenance, and the amount of maintenance is reduced from 15,000 to 10,000 accordingly. Disposed of.
Till number 2.